Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are on the garden office build and we'll be completing the roof today as well as fitting the window and doors. You'll notice we had to add another row of bricks at the bottom of the window. It's because we slightly changed the size of the window, so that's why we had to lay those bricks. We are going to install that window today as well as the external door to this room. The shed side is going to have two metal doors and we will install those another time. You might have noticed we're improvising with our drills here today, as I forgot my SDS drill on another site. So it does work, a little bit wobbly, but it does work using an SDS bit in a non-SDS drill. But hey, we have to get on with the job. So we're going to get this door in today, and also we're going to finish the roof today. We're going to bond it down. We're also going to bond around the edges, as well as putting in the trims and getting the gutter drip end done as well. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. This is part 2. And as you can see, we've got Mr. Anonymous as well back on the job with us today, helping us out here. So let's get this done and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. So I'll just go through the basics as well, just in case anybody is planning to do an EPDM roof and they just want to get the basic understanding of how to do it. Typically you will have an adhesive that you apply directly to the decking boards. We've got OSB here. As you can see, we've rolled half of the rubber back to allow us the space to roll that. And then what we did is we applied it and straight away rolled it back out, stretching it out, taking out any air pockets as we go along. And then once we do that, then we on the other half, now we folded the other half back and applying it. So what you'll also notice is that we're not going all the way to the edge with the adhesive. So leave about 3-4 inches away from the edge, because you will use a different adhesive later on to bond the edges down. So we just leave that perimeter without glue. As you can see, Mr. Anonymous is applying the glue nice and evenly, spread it out, no lumps and so on. Once you've laid it out, then just get a long broom, makes it easier, and just kind of sweep it towards the edges, and that will allow you to get air out, and also just to make sure that you get good adhesion all around, as well as taking out all the wrinkles and so on. And once you've done that, now you're ready to do your edges. So that 100 mil, 75 mil or so that you left on the edges, you now apply a different type of glue, which would be a contact adhesive. You apply it to both the rubber and the timber. And with contact adhesive, it basically works as it sticks when the two surfaces make contact together. So typically you will wait for about 5-10 minutes until the adhesive kind of loses its shine, and once you do that, you then will stretch and stick it down it pretty much just stick straight away as soon as it hits contact. So it's important that you make sure you take your time to stretch it out before you lay it down. You can see here that it's pretty much stuck straight away as soon as it's made contact. So it is quite strong stuff, and this is why it's important to get it lined up straight before you stick it down. So after that is to install the edge trims, and they're quite simple, pretty much sit around the edges, and they have a seal underneath them where they sit on the rubber. And these ones are pre-drilled with holes already as well, so we just nail them in and you're good to go. We also added the gutter drip piece of timber, which will cause the lip of the roof to protrude just enough so that the gutters can fit underneath the edge of the flat roof. So as you can see, we're finished. We have put the trims on the corner bits, joins and all that stuff, and it's looking good. So the last thing we've got to do now is just to trim off the excess rubber, but we will do that another day because it's late now and you want to take your time and do that neatly. So next time, probably the first thing we do when we get back on site. So the roof turned out really good, really nice. It's seamless because this is one piece of rubber. There's a factory join roughly about the center, but we didn't have to do any joins ourselves. And the roof size came out about 6.5 meters by 4.5 meters. So it's quite a big piece of roof in here. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think, and we see you guys on the next one. Take care.